Well, hey there, this is Phil Squires. I just wanted to chat to you quickly about carotenoid complex, boosting your immune power. There's been a lot of talk about the H1N1 virus and all sorts of things that are going around the world and vaccinations, and I just want to really talk to you about getting back to basics, boosting your immune power, protecting your heart and defending your cells, and you do that naturally through carotenoid complex. GNLD's carotenoid complex has been proven to boost your immune power, and it's something I think everybody should be taking on a daily basis. I have some great information to share with you in this quick little video. You can find out more about how to get these products anytime from howtobuygnldproductsuk.com. And again, my name's Phil Squires. So let's get started. They talk about being on the alert for the third largest killer today, infectious diseases. And it's quite amazing in this day of ours, with so much technology around us, that we actually continue to be caught out by infectious diseases. And that's because we're working too hard, too long, very stressed out, and most importantly, not eating the right kind of nutrition. I know certainly that was my experience. And what we see here is that the USDA, United States Department of Agriculture, had tested this product and found that it would boost your immune function by 37% in 20 days, which is quite phenomenal. Also, increasing natural killer T cells or natural killer T cells by 20% in 20 days. I don't know what these things were, but basically, if your body needs to protect itself against viruses, bacteria, and just generally defend itself against infectious diseases, then this is the way to go. Just had a quick look here. I just wanted to include this slide here. I mean, look what goes on in our system in terms of the immune system. We need to protect our spleen and the lymph nodes, lymphatic vessels, the thymus, tonsils, and adenoids. There's so much going on in our system, and I just wanted you to have a look at what we need to think about on a daily basis. I know a lot of us eat for entertainment, and we eat for emotion and not really for sustenance. And you need to take these sorts of products to help you stay fitter for longer. Look at this product comparison chart. I was amazed when I was putting together this video. I couldn't believe the results. Look at that. The GNLD carotenoid complex ticks every box. I mean, some of these products don't have any of these products detect any of these different alpha carotenes and lycopene and stuff. They're not even detected in their products. And this is important because carotenoid complex is a full spectrum kind of product, and you need to make sure that it's from human food chain and follows nature's blueprint. All these things are important. Even more so, is the label actually true? I mean, does it actually mean what it says on the label? And for a lot of people, look at that, clinical studies. And that, for me, gives me great confidence when talking to people about it. First of its kind, introduced in 1992, and there is no other company that makes this kind of product at this sort of level. There's so much research and development that's gone into it, and GNLD holds the product patent for this. So if you know somebody who's in GNLD, who's marketing this product, or you're in GNLD yourself, you're in a good place because you can't get this product anywhere right now. Clinical proof. Obviously, a lot of people need to know that it works. We've been conditioned to think that science has all the answers, and in fact, science obviously has a huge part to play. But we need to go back to nature, and going back to nature, there's actually some clinical proof. Human food chain, is it actually from natural things? We need to think about the kinds of synthetic foods we're eating nowadays, the pesticides, the fungicides, the herbicides, the genetic modification, and GNLD is not interested in any of that. We want to make sure the product is human food chain and also that it's free from toxins and a naturally created product. Studies by USDA researchers. I mean, this is great stuff. Dramatically enhancing immune cells and overall immune cell responsiveness. Levels of lymphocytes increased. Natural killer cells, again, 21% in 20 days. Reclaiming lost immune power and normalizing, boosting your immune capacity by 37% in 20 days. Highly bioavailable, which means, when you put it in your mouth, does it actually get into the cells? Does it actually do what it's supposed to? And then we've got Rich and Dina offline. That's wonderful. Right, then GeneLD's Nutramax. I mean, there's no other company that does this sort of thing. It's the kind of way that this product is created, low temperatures, low oxidization or zero oxidization is where possible. And it's the convenient. Most people aren't eating 9 to 14 servings of fruit and vegetable a day. I certainly can't do it, and I have the ability to spend a lot more time as I work from home to prepare my food. But frankly, most people don't have the time or even the inclination to make sure that they're getting the right kinds of colorful fruits and vegetables, not apples and pears and potatoes. Those aren't the ones that have the antioxidants. The colorful stuff. Just a last thing to note there, carotenoid complex is 100% natural and contains no artificial colors, flavors, preservatives, and sweeteners. Now, once again, you can get these products at any time from howtobuyGNLDproducts.com, uk.com. I just dropped this slide in here. This is Ariana Karugi, and she says several things here. You know, there's 4 distinct advantages about the GNLD carotenoid complex. She is one of the board members of the Scientific Advisory Board. They put their names on their products and then talk to people like the Global Science Network and say, hey, is this for real? Has it been tested? What are the results out there in the big wide world? Firstly, a broad range of carotenoids. It's highly bioavailable. Thirdly, delivers fruit and vegetables that are part of the human diet. And lastly, has been shown to enhance the indicators of immune function. It's the only supplement that's been shown to do that.